Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to turn on the extended hours in TradingView. So guys, if you are interested in TradingView premium subscriptions, now is the time for you to purchase it because currently a Black Friday sale is going on TradingView in which you are going to get all of the TradingView subscriptions at huge discounts. You can get up to 80% off plus 1 month free on all of the subscriptions. So if you are interested in this deal, you can just check out the link in the description. Now, first of all, when you come here on tradingview.com, you just have to first log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply use the search bar, then click on any of the charts that is available over here, and it is going to open the chart of the ticker in front of you. Now, once you have the chart opened in front of you, what you need to do is you need to simply hover over to the top, then click on this settings icon. You can also right click on the chart and then you can click on the option of settings icon. This too is going to open the settings in front of you. Now over here you need to go to the trading section. Here in the trading section, simply just scroll down and make sure that this particular option is enabled. It is extended price line across the entire chart width. So once this is done, simply hit OK, and once it is activated, your chart will immediately display the lighter color pre-market and after hours candle around the regular session. Now if the candle still don't appear, you can just simply change the time frames over here, and sometimes it is going to show up here on the lower time frames like 1 minute or a 5 minute or even 15-minute time frames, because extended session data doesn't show on very high time frames. Also, make sure that you are viewing a US stock or any other market that actually offers you the extended trading. As you can see, currently the gold chart is opened in front of me, but I can just simply change the chart, and as you can see, we have the extended lines available. So futures and forex already trade nearly 24 hours, so the extended hours may not look different there. So as you can see, it is looking different here in the stocks chart, whereas it is different in the BTC and the gold chart. So this way you will be able to basically extend the hours in TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.